Hi, I'm Amanda and I'm going to be demonstrating the OG seamless pads on the shallow plunge today. If you haven't stickered your bras, please make sure to watch the video prior. The shallow plunge, moderate plunge, and deep plunge all adjust the same. The only difference is the bra bar length. We'll start with the shallow plunge. This will replace the strapless bra. Adjust your paddles inward and place on the fatty tissue of the breast. As you can see, I twisted them in too much, so it's digging in too much into the breast. I'm going to twist them out, but now it's going to put too much pressure on the back part of the breast. Our goal is to evenly distribute the pressure so it feels like hands holding you on the fatty tissue of the breast. Logo is always on the right. Pull your breast in, and you can see it's nice and smooth and ready for my pads. To do the same thing with the moderate plunge. As you can see, it's all adjusted the same. I'm going to show you how to put your pads now on your breast properly. You want to fill out that loss of volume on the side and make sure your slits are on the bottom of the pads. I'm going to angle it in the direction of my breasts. If the pads are straight up and down or sideways, it's not going to give a nice round look. So you want to make sure they're angled in a downward motion. I am going to show you how to put the pads on your bra paddles. You just slide the slit over the top and angle the pad towards the ground in the front of the bra. And the way you can tell if the bra is forward or backwards is the logo is always on the right breast. Do the same thing to the other side and angle it forward. And now you're good to go. Now you're going to hold the top of your paddle and come up to your opposite breast. Angle that pad, and as you can see, I have the bra bar nice and flush to my stomach. You do not want to put it on at an angle, otherwise it will show through clothes and you will not get a seamless look. So make sure you grip the side of the breast, the bra bar is nice and flush, pull your other breast in, and from there we can adjust. As you can see, it's digging in slightly. Some people put the bra on too low and it will create a hump on top and a hump on bottom. If you put it on too far back, it'll create a hump in the front and be very uncomfortable. So our goal is to make a nice round silhouette, adding like a fake breast. As you can see, it's nice and smooth, but if there's a little gapping, we can just twist that paddle in until it's nice and flush. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm going to raise it up slightly to the ceiling, and I'm going to grab my nipple anytime I move and adjust the bra. Twist that paddle in to close any gaps. And as you can see, it looks great. If it's digging in slightly, we can twist that paddle outward. I'm now going to demonstrate the bra wearing a crop top. You can wear this with crop tops, bodysuits, tight-fitted clothing because the bra bar is so short and holds snug to the body. And here's my after. And I'm going to show you the before as well. And once it's adjusted, you can just easily pop it on and off. So I'm going to show you over top of my outfit just so you can see it lays nice and flush and is perfect. I'm now going to demonstrate this outfit with the moderate plunge, but you can see the shallow would be way too short and the bra bar would show. So I'm going to remove the pads. They are interchangeable and you can put them on your moderate plunge. We also sell a combo kit if you would like to have multiple different plunges for different outfits and different moods. I already have this adjusted, so I'm going to just show you how I put this on, pull it over and pull it up and remove the pasty. The bra bar can be adjusted in for max cleavage and out for less cleavage. In for max, I always suggest starting inward and pull your breast in, and you can adjust it out if you want less cleavage. I typically wouldn't wear pasties as my nipples are pretty much covered, but I'm going to remove them here, as you can see. Now I'm going to demonstrate the deep a deeper plunge outfit. So if I were to wear the moderate plunge, the bra bar will show with an outfit like this. It would definitely show with the shallow plunge. So we highly recommend picking the right plunge for your outfit. Again, I'm going to interchange the pads. We also have our extra sticky biogel pads that are perfect for dancing, sweating, swimming. And for the deep plunge. I have sensitive skin, so I recommend the extra sticky biogel pads. I'm adjusting this bra because I hadn't adjusted it yet. Push together for max cleavage, angle the pad, and pull your other breast in. And ta-da! And if you need any help after watching these videos, we highly recommend scheduling your complimentary fitting. We offer these via Zoom to all of our customers. We are here for you every step of the way.